Everybody plan to run. Business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes. He go make your youth plenty. Not less. Prosperity, no poverty. Plenty property, yes. Working on the land. Labor, not laziness. Lender earns wage. Lender earns wage. How they know two ways. And if hunger become a toll, who cares?
Hello.
Hello, madam. You're welcome.
Thank you. Kindly fix me a smoothie of pawpaw, banana and mango with milk.
Pawpaw, banana, mango with milk.
And I want ginger light one.
Great combination. 5 minutes and you'll be served.
Okay, 5 minutes, right?
Yes, 5 minutes.
Okay, starts now.
Sure.
TikTok.
Yeah, what's up here? Tweet, Snap, Saraha, Facebook, Instagram, Google.
Don't goggle.
YouTube. Imo.
Make you take your basket, take your machete, make you take your kutokusaki, or make some profit. Enyamelo solutions, Rukuna was the solutions, man. What do you? Boma Pebble, Boma Carente, Boma Palanchante, Bonyolia, Boma Palanchante, Bonyolia, Boma Palanchante, Bonyolia. Now we'll let a man show. But for day, plenty day I go. But for day, even in rainy day. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala.
Nanaya, come and take the smoothie to the lady waiting. Put one straw in it for her when you get there. There is your smoothie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Nice. It's true. What have I done? What's happening? What's happening? What's going on? What's happening? Flies! Flies!
Hey!
Flies!
Hey! What's going on?
She found flies in her smooth flies.
Are you alright? Here.
Don't touch me! You nearly killed me!
So this is what you be doing there, feeding us flies, Abby.
Then
die, oh. Why? This is my breakfast joint. I want to make a drink from this lady. She be dirty. Even my pastor want me to make never drink for this place. Okay, I'll go do one. You get the warmer for you.
Do you know what is
happening? We don't talk here. Take the video. Take the video. Talk to you. Talk here. You guys, they are still standing here. There, you want to be here. You want to still. Woman like you, see your surroundings. I wonder what else you add. Take some. Oh, I'll make you famous. Take this one. If you can see, yeah. See, dirty surroundings.
Praise him. Hey, praise him. Hey, praise him. Hi. Hi. Hallelujah. Hey, hallelujah. Hey, hallelujah.
flies. So this is what you've been doing there, feeding us like Ali. Hey, guys, this is my breakfast.
Wait, me trapping watch you be la pa.
I want to make
Oh, hallelujah. Hey, hallelujah. 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 Hey.
Okay, so your salad is in the fridge. I'll see you later.
Well, hold it. Wait for Papa. God, please take them and bring them back safely. You take care of Mommy, okay?
We'll be back safe. See you. Mwah.
Kokui. Train.
Adwoa no. Eh, we need to pay say we di loto bi.
Loto for the san carry the nyame ase. Mercy girl. Marian, mine puso. I have finished her.
Rade obi ba. Na one we nya say.
Oh, unless I'm too no girl be. Not doing the bottom challenging. She doesn't know Eno Mercy has trained me. Why should my basana? Sister, I'm smile can come. Come. Where are you off to? Solutions, I guess. Hey! And Kofi was what you know that sound well.
Juju. Me. Adwoa morning say me mama share and Josa.
Then the question becomes, what are you looking for over there? Eh? Abade pan and shisha.
Afen we be sa asem. You should have asked that initially.
Oh, talk of the devil. Now I know.
Now you know what?
The man is your target, eh? It's when you're the cost of chemical woman. And the ground is so
Your mind. You think we are all like you, eh?
What is the difference? Is it the heels, the suits, or what? Our lash collection.
Why? Why is everybody? I thought this was your peak period. Why? What's wrong? You don't look yourself.
I'm sorry.
Oh, sweetie. Stop it. Join the conversation today. Like, comment, and share.
Hello, Mr. Usu. Yes. You've received the invoice. Great. Yes. We accept electronic cash. Please pay through MTN mobile money. Okay, bye. Madam.
Hi, darling. How are you?
Where's everyone? Madam just left for a meeting. Oh. Do you have an appointment?
No.
Well, maybe Mr. Ghana can help.
Nah, don't bother him. I was just in the neighborhood and I thought to pass by and say hello.
Oh.
Here. These are some kitchen items, all made in Ghana.
Wow, that's really nice of you. Thank you. I'll tell Madam.
Don't mention. I'll be on my way now. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Stop it. Stop. It's okay. It's okay. You know, it's not for nothing they say fortune favors the brave. To run a business, it's no easy feat. But it's very fulfilling in the long term.
There's no way that fly came from here. Into a smoothie machine. Oh, you're flying a poto.
Why? Do you suspect foul play?
Look, Snama, something about this thing is not right.
Hey! Oh my God.
Hey, Radhe.
So it really is foul play. You know what? Time to fight back. Wait.
Hey, Razin Yakupon Samana. That's how when you're there. Hey, goosebumps, boy. Oh, God. Hey.
Hello, Sergeant Tata. Hi, it's Amagana. Can I have your services just by my office, please? It's pretty urgent. Thank you very much. I'll be expecting you. Thank you. You know what? I've just called the police CID. They'll send someone over to investigate and ruffle a few feathers. This sends several messages, you know. That you were clean, you are not to be toyed with, and certainly the threat of prosecuting the culpable. My dear, you can't run a business if you are this fragile. You can't. Anyway, now to the main reason I came. Can I have 3 smoothies? Of course, the usual, please. 1 to take away and 2 to be delivered to my office, okay?
Okay, madam.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
And cheer up. To do business, you have to be anti-fragile. Okay?
Okay, madam.
You have to turn your problems or challenges to your advantage. Okay?
Okay. I'll be right back.
Don't! You're old enough to get your own cupcakes. Come on! Go and get your own. That was close.
Let no man see the content of this box.
Hey, baby.
Hey. What are you munching?
Well, I'm polishing off one of the cupcakes with a cup of coffee.
Cupcakes? Okay. It must be a colleague who sent them over.
Oh, God bless her soul. What's up, baby?
Anyway, it must be your lucky day today, because I just ordered your favorite smoothie. So expect delivery soon, okay? But I'm still at the smoothie makers though. Someone is trying to put her out of business. She just suffered a malicious attack.
That sounds like a hostile attack.
Yes.
Well, you called the police, that's good.
Of course, I did.
Hold on, baby.
Sir, Mr. Mensah is here to see you.
A whole 5 minutes early, that's good. Why don't you give him a cupcake and a cup of coffee to start off? I'll finish here and join him soon.
Sure.
Okay. Hey, babes. Okay, gotta go.
Oh, okay. I'll see you later, babe.
Later. Mwah.
Here you go.
Oh,
This for takeaway. I'll have the others delivered.
Thank you so much.
Welcome,
Thank you. Now to the plan. Let's make some lemonade out of this lemon, okay? So why don't you get your clients or customers to make their own smoothie or juice at a special offer. A very, very special offer. It will serve as several purposes, you know. 1, it's a novel idea and a great experience for them. 2, they get to see exactly what goes into their smoothie or juice. 3, it will be slightly discounted and they'll be encouraged to pay through MTN mobile money. And the best of it, you get to show them your very special combination. How about that?
But now, I'm not so sure.
I can say especially now. Especially now. Don't worry, I will help you set it up if that's your problem. Okay? I'll help you set it
Thank you very much, madam.
Suffer the knock now, but you bounce back. Okay?
Alright.
Everything will be okay. Okay.
I'm Sergeant Ajeti, and here's my colleague, Kofi.
Oh, hi. I'm Amagana. Nice meeting you too, Amagana.
Nice meeting you.
This is Akese, the lady suffering there.
Welcome. Thank you.
Payday!
Men tell one another blow. Who them I say, baby?
I say, baby, we just say what talent, Mammy 5, talent.
Yes, sir, or off. Sir, Obeti.
She must my roll.
Now, Adwoa, Sikana is there, ready cash, and Chalenia is rough.
As in trust the man.
Oh, Mary trust to rough. Check.
Trend me.
Hey.
Hey.
Let's go on one.
Hey, Arase, what are you doing? It's going to me, sister. What's wrong with me?
Oh, Adwoa, we are more. We are correct. In fact, I'm a boza. Boza. Don't you come with you? Bro, your input was bad, man. So this is your share. Hey, Charlie, my guy. Wait, Charlie, I go wound you. You look at you. Charlie, make us see the money. Yeah, see this foolish boy. You get 7 CD extra. Where you don't want to give me 20 guys? Nigga, you did a bad job. We go share Tete. In that can't pass.
Hey, who dressed to kill it? I am.
Then that's it.
Hey,
yeah.
Hey.
Now that I can say it's done, it's about today. Obi a finish up on man.
Yes, and come once another bumpo.
Get a butter papa. Hey.
Adwoa. Adwoa. What is wrong with you? I know when to pay me to.
So it's man, no matter. Let me know what's it. I'm don't worry. Hey! Oh, Naiko! Oh! What time? I mean, Choka. Hey, Uncle Ben cry. If I can't go far away. Hey!
Join the conversation today. Like, comment, and share.
So, madam, where did you say you found this?
It was here. It was lying right here.
Okay, you got it.
Lady, please come.
Please walk me through the whole incident.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty, plenty property. Yes, working on the land, labor, not laziness. Lender ants wait, About it no 2 ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. Cause buffer day, even in rainy day. Cause buffer day, plenty day. Cause buffer day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, solutions,
They should look like this.
Wow, yeah, that's her. That's really her.
Okay, we will look into this, okay? Here's my card. Call me if anything changes or you remember something new, alright?
Oh, CID. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Madam, thank you. Thank you so much for helping me.
Okay, so you will get back to you as soon as possible.
Right, thank you.
Okay, so.
All right. Don't you want to taste
We'll
that?
be back.
All right. Bye-bye. Oh, Lord. help us catch these saboteurs.
Amen.
Amen, oh, Nanama, amen.
Good ideas and better jokes and best quality of life. Money no be bad, money no be wahala.
Charlie, bro. Come to think of it, the juice bar operation, Adwoa cheat you for the money inside.
It eat you how? This be free money. What do you expect?
Free money?
Sure.
Because for somebody in business, say free money.
Why you don't want take Panadol for somebody in headache? Your Bobby get shares for inside. I want your own.
Massa, see that job. If like Adwoa go fit do him, why she no go do him? Why she send we make we go do him?
Hey, as Adwoa they send you, why you not tell him say you no go?
Charlie, see, that woman said, "Man, they like him. She be fine woman. Now they like him rough. But now when you spoil him business, how go fit tell us how they like him?
Write them letter. I they like him.
Yeah, what's up here? Tweet here, Snap, Saraha, Facebook, Instagram, Google.
Don't goggle.
YouTube. Emo.
Make you take your basket, take your machete, make you take your kotokusaki, go make some profit. Enyamelo solutions, vous kuna osele solutions man. Ododio. Boma Perro, Boma Kente, Boma Balanchante Bunyolia.
I see you have quite the appetite, Nikki. And you only eat smart. Think only the good things, huh?
I'm eating for two. These cupcakes, delicious. I didn't even get to say thank you to Nanaya.
Oh, Nene, she's quite a character, isn't she?
But dressy, a bit.
Efficient.
I guess. Anyway, sweetie, I need a warm bath and a massage. And maybe...
At your service. Always.
Yep, thank you. Oh, one. Okay. Hello? That's awesome! Oh, thank God. Okay, you know what? Keep me posted, okay? Thank you. The police, they got them. The people who attacked Akese. The smoothie lady.
Oh. That's more like it. All in a day's work. Hey, you there? See what mommy's doing? Great things. I haven't sung to you today, have I?
Come on, what is it?
Pain in my stomach.
What?
Shooting pain. Go.
No. We're not losing this one.
Oh, Jesus.
Hello, dog. I'm trying to get him. This is an emergency, please. Sorry.
Kofi.